welcome back to another video. Today we are playing the trolling obby, and we are back with Cheetos Gaming.
Hey guys, I'm not recording a video on my YouTube channel, but yeah, I'm just gonna be joining my brother on this trolling obby. So yeah, by the way guys, you guys should definitely go check out my YouTube video. My YouTube channel is called Cheetah TV, and when you look it up, it just shows cheetah videos. But if you scroll down a little bit, it will show this cheetah. Like this really cool yellow and polka dotted cheetah. I have seven subscribers. Yeah, but on my vlog channel I have 43. Come on, Mike, let's start.
We have 4. Okay, so we are gonna start this trolling obby. So let's go.
I'm gonna let's see who can beat. Who will win at the end.
So yeah, of course. You're already good at this. I like shift.
I only got to stage 2, that's why I spawned into it. How you are? Oh, what? You played this before, haven't you?
Yeah.
That's no fair.
Oopsies, I forgot. Huh?
That's not fair.
No, I just found it on your favorite games. And this one I got trolled on. I just did this, but it didn't work, so yeah. Oh, and we are gonna be joined by Panda's Game TV. So
What?
I think I pushed you. Hi, Sophia.
Where is she?
She
Wait,
just.
I wanna wave at her.
No, I missed it.
This obby trolls you. I claimed it.
Sophia, put your graphics on 1. The graphics on 1 is way better. Yeah. See, it's better. See, my graphics are already on 1. I always have on 1.
Then 2 hours, right?
It's gonna take forever to finish. Hey! I died. I keep on dying. Oh, I see some volcanoes down there. If you can't see
Oh, I
those.
almost fell.
Me too. I hate at the end because. No! I was on the last one too. Me too.
Hey.
We're on level.
Hey, where are you, Sophia?
And Sophia just left.
Why did you leave, Sophia?
No! Why am I keeping raining tacos?
My new beautiful dragon.
Raining tacos.
No!
And do not step on these. You can step on this side. See, never mind. No, you can't step on it. Sexy. I like the background mostly.
It's raining tacos.
Oh no! I was in the second last one. I think he got. No. See, this is so cool.
I made it!
What? I haven't even passed this.
Alright, it's a race, I forgot. No. Ooh, I almost fell. I almost fell.
Oh, I saw you too. Oh, and Catherine, look at this one.
It's mine. I got that one, I think. It's yellow!
Bye. I was like, bye, and then I just walked off. Oh! And it's so cool. In 3 days, it's Martin Luther King's Day, and
So,
now
yeah, I will be doing on my YouTube video, on my channel, I'm going to be doing a Martin Luther King video special.
Yeah, me too.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm ahead of you. Did
Yeah,
you
just
notice
one
that?
stage ahead of me.
Yeah. Now I'm not.
And
Now
barely even
no.
ahead of me.
Yep. I was just gonna go through this one. So. And I already know what. Ooh, two Omega things. Did you die too?
No, I'm on the next level, but
Oh, why did I go back? Oh, like, oh, why did I go back?
how?
You can't touch the green thingy. You have to no. Watch. Touch the yellow.
I'm touching the green.
I the red thingy, whatever that is.
Oh no! What is double jump?
Did you see me in the air? I was like, it was like that was funny. No! Why am I keep on dying? I keep on dying.
Yay!
I'm way back from you.
Coming soon.
Wait, it's coming soon?
Coming soon. The next part is coming soon.
What? Oh, oh no! Oh! Ooh, this is the best for you.
It says coming soon.
Let me see.
No, you come.
See. I'm gonna go over
There's
there.
balls.
Uh,
I know. Yeah, past there.
uh, uh, uh,
Hello.
uh. You stupid.
This one. Green. 45, 30, 35, 40. I see my
Okay, it says it's
guys. Mike, I already have a video of on my YouTube channel on this obby. Did you know that?
Oh,
Michael,
what?
I already have a video on my YouTube channel about this obby.
It's coming. Oh wait, let's
On
see
this
behind it. Oh, there's nothing behind it, really.
That was a short obby. Let's go play another one. Pause the video and let's go play another one.
Okay, let's play. We are back on a troll lobby. So yeah, we just typed in troll lobby.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay.
So
And he had to join me this time. Oh, I think I just put random stuff in it.
skip. Skip. Oh, I know why they make it so it's a troll.
How is this a troll? I don't see the troll at all.
No. You have to touch the little checkpoint thingy. Yeah. No. But watch at the end. There's like 30 no, way more obbies. And see there's an invisible one right there.
You just touched it.
No, watch.
Yeah, see? It's time for you to get a watch.
Oh.
You just need it. Yeah, I made it. We're gonna have a race on this one too.
Okay.
And I'm winning so far. I'm on stage 5.
See, I didn't even touch the white thing. I'm just
He's on stage 4. I'm on stage 5. Oh yeah.
I just jumped off.
It's kind of fun. Oh, I can just walk across this one. I see the troll. No, it's not really a troll. I don't see a troll here.
No, you have to touch the full checkpoint. The really little checkpoint thingy.
You know, you can just walk across this.
Oh. Da, 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 da. Oh.
Dun, dun, dun.
You're like This hobby is hard, but you just walk through.
I don't see any troll.
Watch until you get there.
You're just 2 stages above behind me.
Yay.
Oh, wait, what?
What the
Wait,
heck?
what? You're on stage 8. I'm on stage 9. Why did I didn't? What? I touched this checkpoint and I spawned it exactly at it.
Baby, that's a troll.
No, I just didn't check.
You have to touch the little checkpoint.
I don't care what I have to touch. I just think I touch it.
Catherine,
What?
this one is trolling.
I know what you have to do on that one. I can already tell.
No.
I can already tell what
Hello, darkness, my friend. What do you have to do? Oh.
Oh.
You're like, I already know what to do. I can tell. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I'm winning again.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're 3 miles behind me. On my screen, you are. No. You're 3 miles away from me. Hi. They're all the way over there. I'm already on checkpoint 50.
Hello. Look at me.
What?
Hello. My old darkness smile.
What's up?
Not good.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
That's fake as
No, that wasn't fake. Comment down below if that was fake.
Bruh.
You're like, bruh, you automatically spawn and then get
This
killed.
is not a trolling obby.
This is regular obby, I think.
Yeah, this is just a regular obby, you guys. This is not no trolling obby.
Do not pick the first one.
No, this was the third one, actually.
Oh, third one? The first one isn't a trolling obby. Dun 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 dun. Got it. Oh. I thought you
your body. I saw your body. Oh my god.
What's up, punk?
I'm just Wait. You went the wrong way.
I'm cheating.
No, you went the wrong way.
No, I'm
This
cheating.
way. You have to go that way, Michael.
I don't care. This is the trolling obby, see? Oh, wait. Yeah,
This way,
yeah.
that's why it's called a trolling.
No, it's not. I'm already over here. I think we have to go over here.
I see the finish, so I'm just gonna go over here. I see the finish. I'm heading towards it.
Oh no. Whoever makes it to the finish wins.
Now
But
we go
sorry
to
guys, I have to
the
end this video.
finish.
Oh, my video is almost to 15
Well, end
minutes.
it now.
So yeah, bye guys. Guys, hope you like this video, which is one trolling obby and one not trolling obby. So see you guys next time.